Okay, we're back. It's been a few weeks, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks since I posted a video, but okay. So, the last video was about, I believe it was Mine Thrive, where I'm 99, probably like 1,000% sure that that's a scam, but I will put out a video in probably another month or two on that again, with further information, or a further review, we'll say. But this is a solid and real, actual Bitcoin mining platform, which is GoMining. I've been using it for a few months. I want to say since March, maybe even prior. I could be wrong, but I have 111.11 terahash at 20 watts, or yeah, 20 watts a terahash, and it's, as you can visually see, it looks like an NFT, which it is, but this is the first actual NFT, which I'm pretty sure actually has a real life value, or function to it. Because with the NFT you own, it actually mines you Bitcoin, which is amazing. It's surprising. We go to my dashboard here. It's actually mined me this much Bitcoin. Surprisingly, a fucking NFT. It's been sent to my address. So, the way that it works is you obviously, it gets the pool reward. You get your reward. You pay your electricity fees in Bitcoin, and you pay a small service fee in Bitcoin, which makes sense because rather than you having to clean and maintain these systems, these giant freaking things of hardware that you have to order in and wait months and months and months for them to come in actually, and then you have to set it up. A lot of the times you actually then have to upgrade your electrical system or your electrical outlets, because a lot of these are like 3,500 watts for one machine, which that's enough to power a freaking dryer or a washing machine. So unless you have extra outlets, you're gonna have to put money into doing that. So for paying the small fee of that, you don't have the worry of having to maintain or make room and all the servicing that you would need for Bitcoin mining. And this way, if you want, as you can see, I don't currently have it on a blockchain, but these NFTs are on the Ethereum and the Binance blockchain. So what that means is you can send your NFT to a wallet, such as a Trezor or a Ledger perhaps, and put your NFT in cold storage, where your NFT is mining you Bitcoin, and say you have your Bitcoin wallet on that same cold wallet, then your Ethereum or Binance NFT is now filling your Bitcoin wallet with money, which that's just an amazing process and how that works. So, like, you can get started. I believe it's a 1 week or a 2 week free trial of 16 terahash, which 16 terahash, this was when it was at 35 watts is when I started, and I believe it was $500 or so for it. Now it's around the same price. Actually, it's a little bit cheaper. It's kind of annoying that it's a bit cheaper. But I believe it's a 1 or 2 week free trial, and it gives you estimations here on, you can do the current price, your daily, your monthly, your yearly rewards, and after your 14, or I can't remember if it's 7 or 14 day free trial, but after that, of course, you're not going to be able to get your money until you've purchased a miner, because they're not just going to give you the free rewards for no reason, because divided this by 2 is like $7 a Bitcoin or so, but like, they're still not going to want to give that to you for free, of course, because you can just keep signing up for free and just keep taking money for them. So, of course, you can only then get your rewards after you've purchased a miner. But you can purchase a 1 terahash miner, even at a 20 watts per terahash, starting at $20.99. So you can start mining Bitcoin for as little as $20. Or, if you're a real big baller, you got the cash, you know, you got the money, you've got that, you got in early on a lot of stuff. You can do 5,000 terahash at 20 watts for $113,000, but you're making a good daily profit of $163 doing nothing. Or a yearly profit of $59,500. Annual ROI of 52%. That varies with price, of course, but hey, say Bitcoin spikes to 100K. You've made your money back in a year. Say it spikes to 150K. Look at that. Look at that. Look how much you made. Look how much you made. So, this, I can confirm, is a real working platform that I've been using for months. Let's see how far I can go back. Oh, sorry. I started in February. It says March 4th, but yeah, no, my free trial was at the end of February to March 4th, so. And I believe, yeah, from the 4th to the 23rd. I think I waited a few days to actually purchase it as well. So I believe it's about a week free trial, but the rewards are very well, and you can even go back to see your computing power. You see I started with 16 terahash. Upgraded to 32, upgraded to 34, 63, 101. And then over time, I've slowly added. And you can pay with their token, which is GoMining, or GMT. And to upgrade it, I don't have it at the moment, but you can upgrade it on your phone with Apple Pay or Google Pay for... Oh, actually, it shows it right here. So you can upgrade it for $839.99, $899.99, $249.99, and $499.99. You can also do it with the energy efficiency, but mine's maxed out, so it won't show it. But you can just... It even shows you the percentage. So this one actually seems to have the highest percentage by 0.02%. So you click that one, you click next. Shows that converts to Canadian since I'm in Canada. You can choose to pay with whatever you want. Credit card. You can pay with GoMining, USDT, TON, Binance Pay, Coinbase Pay, Gateway Pay, or your virtual GoMining wallet. So this one, oh, even here you got your secondary and primary markets. I forgot about this. So you can choose filters. Say you want to have the lowest wattage, so you're getting the highest return, and then you want to go to highest ROI to lowest ROI. They do come in these little funky different ones. Of course, it's what all NFTs are. They lure you in with the pictures, but if you don't care for it, you just care for the Bitcoin mining, you can literally just go for your, the random crappy, the mine box, which is just a little poopy, doesn't look good. Or you could go for something that's like the gold box collection, which is a nice little treasure chest with Bitcoin at a beach, making it look like you dug it up and then you get Bitcoin off the Ethereum chain. And like something like this, like the little poopy one, little poopy NFT like this. People are like, looks like poop. Daily return of $40. It's $40, literally. Alright, sorry. Current, $30. My bad. I'm sorry. But anyways, is that not still worth it? I would say it is. I would say it is firsthand. I've put my money to where my mouth is. And it is returning the money. It is returning it. You can always create a new miner, you can always upgrade your miner, whether it be power or efficiency. You can buy more, you can buy merch. Another good thing is you can join pools. So I'm currently in a pool. So this is me. I'm actually the one with the lowest terahash in this pool. There are people with 1,000. Regulars like 500, 600, 600, 600. Owners just under 2,000. This guy right here, 2,700. He's making bank. He's making bank. Look, 1,800, 1,000. These are the blocks that come in. Saved on balance. So you see the pool reward, how much my rewards are, because my total computing power compared to the total pool, there's just under 36,000 terahash, but I only have 111.11. So I get a share of 0.3%, but I'm still making more than I would be in solo mining, because you can do solo mining or you can do pool mining. But our pool altogether, it was created on the second month on the 11th this year, and we've mined 1.65 Bitcoin. I've gotten a little share because I have the lowest amount of Bitcoin, but some people here, they've probably gotten 0.1 Bitcoin in like a few months from just mining. So all in all, I would say this is 100% worth it. If you guys are looking to get into it, I will put my referral link in the description in case anyone wants to do it. It helps me. I'm helping you a little bit. If you watch the full video, it's all up to you. You don't have to do it. It just helps me a little bit. So, have a great day, and we'll see you guys soon.